Hi everybody. I have a one pan meal for you and I'm going to call it a Hawaiian barbecue chicken pasta. So first I'm going to start off with some sweet and spicy barbecue. I'm just going to layer a little bit of this in the bottom. I'm going to save a little bit because I might put some over top after I have everything in the pan. So I have the barbecue. I'm going to put some garlic. A little bit of the pink salt. And some pepper. Right, and then let's see, next I'll do some pineapple chunks. And I don't know how much of everything I'm going to be able to fit in this pan. So I want to have a little bit of everything. And then I'll go ahead and get this out of the way. We've got the cheese tortellini. It's just the frozen bag of cheese tortellini, and I'm definitely not using all of this. And then earlier I chopped up some, I've got some red onion, I've got a yellow pepper and a red bell pepper, and then I'm just gonna use my spoon so it doesn't plop all over the place. See if I can get a little bit of this out. Woo, there goes an onion. I'm always dropping something. It's okay. Alright, that looks good. And then I've got the chicken that I chopped up earlier. It is just chicken breast tenderloins. Let's see if I can get this in here. Definitely don't want to be throwing this all over the place. Alright, and then now I will go ahead and add more of the barbecue sauce. Alright, and my oven is preheated to 375, so let me get this in there. The kitchen smells so good right now. I left this in the oven for about 35 minutes. I took it out just to stir it up a little bit, and when I did that, some of the chicken looked like it was still raw. So I put it back in for about 20 more minutes just to make sure that everything was cooked. And so like all the vegetables have cooked down and they've made a great sauce with that barbecue. I'm excited. Like this smells like summer. So this winter time, this all this cold weather, gotta go. Oh, I can't wait. So let me see. I'm going to try to get a little bit of everything, but I don't know if I can fit it all on my fork. I at least have a chicken, a pepper, and a tortellini all steaming. I don't want to burn my mouth. I really like that. That barbecue sauce has just enough spice, and of course it's got the sweet from the barbecue and the pineapple. I'm definitely gonna have to make this again.